Hello everyone, this is Catherine from Catherine's Granny Squares. On my channel I talk about my passion for crochet and talk about a little about what's going on in my life. But today I'm going to show you this clutch bag or purse that I made. It's made with 100% cotton yarn. It's my own design. I've made it using a solid granny square. Of course, there's a button from my button box on the front there, and inside I've just put a little contrasting row. I've not lined it, I've decided against lining it. It's quite deceiving in size. I can fit my phone in here, but I'm using my phone to do this video, so let's see what else can go in. The lipstick, obviously essential. My asthma medicine, which I carry with me, and some tissues. And as I say, I could fit my phone in there. Still plenty of room. I do find cotton bags are deceiving in their size. So there we go. All that in it, and still room for my phone if I wanted to put it in. I will do a tutorial about that in due course and show you how I made the bag. I just want to show you as well the blanket that I started on the August bank holiday. Do you remember I said I was going to just do the stitches as I felt like them, come in on the hook. So I did some half trebles, I did some trebles, I did some bobble stitches. I'm using 2 strands of double knit yarn together and an 8mm crochet hook, and this, when I measured it, is going to be big enough for the width of a double bed. You can see the colours are coming through now. It's going to look quite autumnal, I think. I know the blue's in there, but apart from that, I think it's going to look quite autumnal. So that's what I wanted to show you today. I've also done a little video where I show my cardigan that I finished at last, and a new video where I look at a crochet magazine. I've never done that before, so please let me know if you like it and tell me what you think. That's what I was trying to say. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, I'd be very pleased if you would do that. It doesn't cost anything and it'll boost my morale, especially at this time when we're still in this the moving saga. We're still here, we're still showing people around our house, so keep your fingers crossed, 3rd time lucky. I'll see you all soon. Bye for now. Bye.